Everyday carry tools usually bring a few things to mind: folding knives, compact multi-tools, and tiny flashlights that fit right in your pocket. But there's one type of tool that often gets overlooked: a reliable clamping tool. A small engineering team from the UK is trying to change that with something called the MetMo Pocket Grip, a compact gadget that takes inspiration from a tool designed more than a century ago. The idea actually started with a piece of history. One of the designers came across a 1913 prototype called the triplet grip at a flea market. It was an interesting concept, but it had a big flaw. The jaws didn't stay parallel, which meant nuts and fittings could slip or even get damaged when pressure was applied. That discovery kicked off months of redesigning, testing, and refining, until the team came up with a modern version that fixes those problems and adds several new capabilities. The final result is surprisingly small and easy to carry. The Pocket Grip measures just 95.5 by 45.5 by 10 millimeters, making it about the size of your palm. Despite that compact size, it packs in 5 different functions. It works as a parallel clamp wrench, a set of pliers, a hex driver, a clamp, and even a tap holder. And while it's not officially listed as a feature, it can also open a bottle when needed. One of the most impressive parts of the design is the adaptive clamping jaws. They stay perfectly parallel while opening up to 20 millimeters, which helps them grip objects securely, even when those objects aren't perfectly shaped. That means it can handle things like M12 bolts, stuck fittings, rusty nails, 3D printed parts, or even stubborn glue lids. Tightening the tool is quick thanks to a thumb screw, and the clamping force can reach up to 21 kilograms, which is pretty impressive for something that fits in your pocket. On the opposite end of the tool, you'll find hardened serrated plier jaws that open up to 17 millimeters. These are designed for gripping, twisting, or pulling things like nails, wires, or damaged fasteners while keeping steady pressure. Another thoughtful touch is that the jaws can be replaced if they eventually wear out. Right in the center of the Pocket Grip, there's also a hex drive that holds standard hex bits. That essentially turns the tool into a small T-style driver, giving you extra leverage when you're trying to loosen stubborn screws or jammed fasteners. The tool can even help with precision work. Its jaws are designed to hold miniature figures between 20 and 100 millimeters, which could be really useful for model makers who need steady hands while painting or gluing tiny pieces. Beyond that, the Pocket Grip is aimed at people like woodworkers, bike mechanics, electricians, and basically anyone who likes fixing things around the house. It's also designed to work comfortably for both right and left-handed users. As for materials, there are 3 options available: aluminum, titanium, and stainless steel. The aluminum version is the lightest at 84 grams, while the titanium model weighs 104 grams, and the stainless steel version comes in at 141 grams. The titanium and stainless steel versions are designed for maximum durability, while aluminum offers the same functionality in a lighter package. The stainless steel version also includes an extra feature: sharp snips capable of cutting wire up to 6 millimeters thick. In terms of pricing, the aluminum version is the most affordable option, starting at about £99 for early supporters, with a planned retail price of £124. At the premium end, the titanium model starts at £199, with a retail price expected to be £234. If everything goes according to plan, the first units are scheduled to ship in December. For anyone who likes practical gear that can handle a wide range of small jobs, this tiny multi-tool might end up being one of those surprisingly useful additions to an everyday carry setup.